Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all, I'm still doing breakfast stuff here. So I got some nice, y'all know I went to Aldi's, the store Aldi's. I haven't been to Aldi's in like 2 years. So I went there the other day just trying to check it out, and I saw they had some nice brioche in there. I say, when I see brioche, I think two things, bread pudding and French toast. So I'm gonna do some French toast today. You know, brioche makes the absolutely best French toast in the world. So with that being said, we're gonna knock that out right here. I ain't gonna even let y'all go away, y'all. We're gonna make some French toast. So I'm gonna put this in the description of the video, y'all. The recipe. I'm gonna make about 4 or 5 slices of French toast. And all it is French toast batter is eggs, a little milk, a little sugar in there. I like to put a little vanilla in mine. A little cinnamon, gotta have cinnamon in there. I like more cinnamon than most. Put your little sugar in there. 1/4 cup. I'll mix this all up here, y'all. And I like to let this set up about, 10 minutes, let all them, like them little flavors and stuff to marry together. That's it, y'all. That's all it is, French toast batter. Let me show you my bread here. I'm gonna go and pull it out. And when we come back, I'm gonna get my skillet heating up. And when we come back, we're gonna, oh yeah, and this brioche is dry, which is amazing. I like when it's dry because that makes better French toast when it's dry. Look at that there. So I'm gonna get here and clean up a little, get organized, and we'll be right back. We'll cook this off. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. I got my bread here. I got my skillet heating up over here to my left. So we're gonna put this bread in here. It's very simple, y'all. Soak the bread in there a little bit. If the bread is really, really dry, of course, you want to soak it a little bit longer, but if it's not necessary. So we're going to put in the skillet over here. See if I can get 3 in here, y'all. See if I can go 3 and 3. 3 and 3, there we go. There we go. That's easy enough. What do you just brown it on both sides. Usually takes a couple of minutes on each side there. And I mean, y'all made French toast before. It ain't rocket science. Just want to see how this not Trader Joe's, but Aldi, how they brioche taste. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back once I take the last ones out. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, these here, we're gonna take the last ones off here. I got these already, and I'm gonna take them off. I'm gonna do, y'all already know, that world famous YouTube thumbnail. And these don't take that long to cook, this particular brioche, which is amazing in itself. Some brioche take a long time depending on but this was dry, so it pretty much soaked all that milk up pretty quickly. So I'm gonna get these off here, y'all. I'm gonna do that world famous YouTube thumbnail, and we'll be back to try these out. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Look at this, y'all. One of my butter already melted. Look at that there. That's a breakfast to put you to sleep. Get you some eggs with this, and some bacon and sausage to go with it. Good eating. Let's see how Aldi go with they French toast here. Let's check Aldi out. See if they up to a level here. Look at this here. Hey, check it out. Get you a fork and check it out. Look at this, y'all. Let Dylan taste it because he loves French toast. Well, that's it, y'all. And the brioche is not that thick either. Nice and thin. Definitely good to go. So, anyway, y'all, let me close this video out. I think Dylan nicely can't quit eating them. that's good breakfast there. Like I said, all you need some sausage and some eggs, maybe bacon. Good to go. So yeah, all this get that brioche you have in there. Pretty good, not bad. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022-23. Just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.